Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that might seem simple, but can be tricky: cleaning those gorgeous black faucets. Black finishes add a touch of luxury to any kitchen or bathroom, but keeping them fingerprint and water spot free requires a little extra TLC. Distilled water optional, but recommended. Mild dish soap like Dawn. White vinegar for tougher stains. 2 spray bottles, 1 for cleaning solution, 1 for rinsing. Microfiber cloths. Soft sponge optional. Prep is key. Begin by turning off the water supply to your faucet. This will prevent accidental spraying while you clean. Choose your weapon. Fill 1 spray bottle with distilled water if you have it. Distilled water helps prevent water spot buildup in the long run. If you don't have distilled water, regular tap water will work in a pinch. Add a few drops of mild dish soap to the water and mix well. Vinegar power optional. For stubborn mineral deposits or soap scum, you can create a separate vinegar solution in your second spray bottle. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water. Spray and wipe. Lightly mist your faucet with the dish soap solution. Don't drench it. Use a clean, damp microfiber cloth to gently wipe away any dirt or grime. For tight spaces or faucet handles, a soft, damp sponge can be helpful. Tackle tough stains. If you encounter stubborn water spots or mineral buildup, lightly spray the area with the vinegar solution and let it sit for a minute or 2. Then, wipe clean with your microfiber cloth. For daily maintenance, simply wipe down your black faucet with a dry microfiber cloth to remove fingerprints and dust. This will help prevent grime buildup and keep your faucet looking sharp. By following these simple steps, you can keep your black faucets looking brand new for years to come. Now, sit back and admire the beautiful reflection in your sparkling clean faucet. If you have any questions about cleaning black faucets, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more cleaning tips and tricks.